Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I cannot believe it. I think this is the last Sunday of the year. That is incredible. If you're watching the video on the first day that it comes out, then today that I'm filming it is actually the 25th. It's Christmas. I cannot believe not only how quickly this year has gone by, but how quickly this month has gone by. It's kind of crazy. And to illustrate that, this summer I pre-ordered an advent calendar for myself. I saw it, I really wanted it, pre-ordered it, it arrived in November. I couldn't wait till December so that I could open each little window on every day leading up to Christmas, like as you're supposed to do with an advent calendar. And this month went by so quickly that I only did 2 days of it. I only did 2 days of my advent calendar. Can you believe that? Crazy. So since today is Christmas, I figured I should open the other 22 days of my calendar. So I'm gonna do that with you guys. Just to get right into it, this is the calendar. It is so cute. It's Pokemon. Oh my gosh, my ring light is reflecting because my room is so dark. This is my Pokemon Funko Pop advent calendar. You guys know I love Pokemon, I love Funko Pops, and I love mystery boxes, and this combines all three, so I just had to have it. So it opens up this way, and then there's all the little envelopes here. I keep calling them envelopes. I don't know why I keep calling them envelopes. I don't know what to call them. Windows? I don't know. So these are the first two that we opened. I think I opened them on my birthday Twitch actually, and I'll show you what we got. So in one of them we got this little silver Pikachu, and on the other one, we got this Mr. Mime. I don't like Mr. Mime, he creeps me out. Not my favorite Pokemon. So one really good one, one. Time to open the other 22. Day number 3. I cannot believe I did not do this. I was gonna make like TikToks for each day on my TikTok unboxing page. I had so many plans. I've been so overscheduled at work. Like they've been scheduling me 4 days a week. I've been working on new cosplays, trying to create content. I'm gonna put my foot down. That's my goal for 2021 is, or sorry, 2022. Oh my god, 2022. This year flew by. It's gone. That's one of my goals for 2022 is to put my foot down at work and stop letting them overschedule me so much so that I can focus on content creation, all the different content creation channels that I have, everything like that, and really make that more of my career, because this job was supposed to be like just like a little side thing, and it's turning full-time, and I hate it and I don't want to do it. So if they say no and they want to keep scheduling me that much, I'm just gonna quit. Like, I swear to God, I'm just gonna quit. I got a Flareon. You guys, oh my gosh, I got a Flareon. So cute. Yay, we got a good one. Okay, that's good. Oh, I hope he doesn't fall off his little stand. He feels really delicate on here. He's like kind of wiggling. But that's okay, I have a glue gun. I can glue him on. Look how cute. I cannot wait to have all of the Pokemon all lined up on my desk. They're gonna look so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open 4. Okay, I always say this one's name wrong. It's this one here, and his name, it's like Ratata, I think. Am I saying that wrong? I'm gonna Google how to say it. Hold on. It doesn't say how to pronounce it. I think I'm pronouncing it correct. I think I'm just like over pronouncing it is the thing. I'm just too excited about this. I do have to go to like a Christmas dinner party thing tonight, so we're doing this a little bit quickly. Oh my god, he won't come out. It's a Cubone. Do you guys like ever like remember that story, and it's like he saw his like mom die and now he's like wearing her skull or something? Do you like, am I making that up? Like that's a thing. I'm gonna Google that one. Hold on, I'm like Googling all these now. I'm like, wait. It says he's called the lonely Pokemon because he prefers solitude to companionship. He was never able to fully recover from the traumatic death of his mother, so he wears her skull on his head like a helmet. Pokemon is so dark sometimes. Okay, let's open 6 on that note. Ooh, another silver one. It's a Squirtle. Silver Squirtle. I like the silver ones, but I don't think I like them as much as the colorful ones. Ooh, and a Bulbasaur. Oh, if I can get him out. Little Bulbasaur right here. I love Bulbasaur. I love all the starters. They're always so cute. I never want to evolve any of them because they're so cute. And we've got a little Raichu here. Very cute. We don't have Pikachu yet though. 9. It's an Eevee. We got an Eevee. Eevee, Eevee, Eevee. I love Eevee. I don't think that there's any Magikarp in here. It's kind of like a thing with like the types it comes with. I try not to look at it because I want to be surprised. But I did note that I don't think there's a Magikarp. It's the biggest flaw of this box in my opinion so far. Like, why include Mr. Mime but not Magikarp? Seriously. Funko. If anyone from Funko is listening, these are my notes. I literally just forgot this one's name. Like, it just, like, I was like, wait, it's on the tip of my tongue. It's a Vulpix. I'm dumb. It's a Vulpix. How cute. I love Vulpix. I can't believe I forgot his name. I'm tired. Oh, and you can never forget this guy's name. Ah, I can get him out of the box here. Pulled out the whole little plastic window that he's in. But here we have the best part of Team Rocket. We've got Meowth. And we are almost halfway through. We just have one more. Let's see. Oh, another silver one. Silver Charmander. So it looks like the silver ones so far have all been starters because we've got silver Pikachu, silver Charmander, silver Squirtle. So there's probably going to be a silver Bulbasaur in here, is my guess. And we are now halfway through the box. These windows are like difficult to open without like ripping them. I guess it's okay because you don't really like need to keep the box anyway at the end. At least I don't plan on it. Ooh, Squirtle! Got a little Squirtle. Very cute. So now we have the silver Squirtle. And the not silver Squirtle. And 14. And 14 is Mewtwo. Sorry, hard to get it to focus. But yeah, 14 got a little Mewtwo, looking very angry. I don't love Mewtwo. I think Mew is way cuter. I judge my favorite Pokemon based on cuteness a lot of the time. Wonder if there's a Snorlax in here. I love Snorlax. Oh, I thought at first that we got a Pikachu, but upon taking him out here, it looks like it's actually Pichu. Ooh, another evolution here. Got a little Vaporeon. Oh, not focusing. But he's cute. He's very cute. A little Eevee. Do you guys have a favorite evolution? I just like Eevee. I don't need, I mean the evolutions are cute and stuff and they're cool, but Eevee itself is just so adorable. Eevee kind of looks like Stitch. I'm just noticing that. I think I have a type. Get it? Because Pokemon, a type. I'm tired. Hard to take out. I feel like this is supposed to be a Growlithe, but it doesn't really look like one. But I don't know what else it would be. I mean, it kind of looks like one with like the stripes and stuff. It's just his face, like this part. Do they usually have this like little like bottom yellow part? I'm gonna Google a picture of one. They do. It's just his face shape is why. So like, I'm gonna pull up a picture of one. Like here's a picture of Growlithe like that. That doesn't really look like one. I don't know. Maybe you guys think so, but I had a little bit of trouble recognizing him at first. I was like, what is this supposed to be? Ooh, and I was right, we did get a silver Bulbasaur. Little silver Bulbasaur. So now I think that's going to be all the silver ones, unless there's a silver Eevee, which I think would be cool. but I think I would rather get some different Pokemon varieties and more silver ones. For example, an entire bottom row of Magikarps or a Snorlax. One Snorlax and a field of Magikarps. All right, to number 19. Oh no, he fell off his little thing. I read on Amazon reviews that this was happening to people. But again, we have a glue gun, not a real problem. Here is our little Charmander. Fell off his little stand, but we can fix him. He's fixable. Don't panic, guys. We can fix him. And another Eevee. There's a lot of Eevee in here. This is good for us Eevee lovers. But if you're not an Eevee fan, this box is not for you. What's the difference between this Eevee and this one? Oh, okay, so this one, there's different poses. So this one is standing, and this one is sitting. That is such a weird choice. Like, I'm not mad at it, because I like Eevee. But, like, of all the Pokemon, why just make a sitting one and a standing one? Interesting decision making went into this. And it looks like 21, we finally got a Pikachu. Ooh, and he's angry. Why is he so angry? This is a good week though. If you were actually unboxing these one day at a time like you're supposed to, and you got to this week leading up to Christmas, and then you got like, what did we get in this row? Like Charmander, Eevee, Pikachu, like, you'd feel pretty good. They probably did that on purpose, didn't they? That's why we started with Mr. Mime. Oh, we got Mew. Do you guys like my sound effects when I try and take these out? Like squawking. But yep, we got a little Mew, super cute, way cuter than Mewtwo. Look at that. Winner. Yeah. Okay, day 23, we're almost at the end. Is this a Jolteon? I think it is. It's like, that's a Jolteon, right? That's what that's supposed to be? It looks like it. I'm looking at a picture. Yeah, the picture's really small, so I don't know if I can show you guys. I think this is supposed to be. Really interesting, like, choices of, like, which Pokemon and, like, which evolutions and stuff that they chose to put in here. Okay, last one. And it's another Pikachu, but he's happy this time. Yay, we got a happy Pikachu. I'm happy about that. There's no more in here. So yeah, that is the entire box. That was pretty fun. I definitely think it would be more fun to do it, you know, one every day instead of just binging it like I just did. But yeah, I failed. What can I tell you? I failed at my advent calendar this year. I think that the Pokemon are super cute. Pop figure Pokemon are always cute with their little, you know, round faces and their big round eyes. Like, a lot of the times they make even the lesser cute Pokemon still look cute. Couldn't manage it with Mewtwo or Mr. Mime, but we will forgive them for that. These are the two that I think could have been left out of this, in my opinion. We could have had Magikarp and Snorlax instead, or even like, I don't know, a Slowpoke or something. Just mix it up a little bit. 'Cause, I mean, we got so many EVs, evolutions, and like, I don't know, Pikachu evolutions, I don't know, that, yeah, it was fun. I love it. I do love it. I'm not trying to be negative here because it was really fun. I did really enjoy it. I'm glad I bought it. It was worth the money. It was worth the wait because I waited a really long time for it to arrive, like a really long time. Definitely worth it. Since this might be my last video of the year, I just want to say thank you guys so much for the absolutely amazing year. I've had such an amazing time vlogging for you guys, making videos for you every week. I didn't miss a week, which is amazing. I can't believe I did it. 52 videos. That was one of my goals from last year, and I did it, and my camera battery died right as I was saying my goodbye message. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you. Like, it's been so much fun. But yeah, I am gonna keep trying to put out a weekly video, whether it be a vlog or like a different type of video. I'm not entirely sure yet. Not really sure what direction I'm gonna take my channel next year, but I hope that you continue to stick around for the ride. I am having such a great time making these videos for you guys, interacting with you guys around my like various social media platforms. Again, you can follow me everywhere, literally everywhere. I have like every type of social media. Thank you guys so much for watching. It literally means the world to me, and I will see you guys in 2022. Bye! Just wanted to show you guys all of the Pokemon that we got. Sorry, my desk is so messy. They're so cute. Rip Charmander. Oh, they're so cute.